Three-way smart light switches enable convenient multi-location control, remote access, energy savings, and seamless integration with smart home automation systems. My today's video is about top 5 best smart light switch that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at G-Home Smart Light Switch. G-Home Smart's three-way light switch delivers a practical upgrade for modern homes, combining flexible installation with reliable smart functionality. Supporting both single-pole and three-way setups, it adapts easily whether you're replacing an existing switch or enabling dual location control. Installation is straightforward if you have a neutral wire, and the no-hub requirement keeps setup simple over a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Performance is solid with a 15A/1800W capacity, making it suitable for most standard lighting circuits, though it's important to note it doesn't work with smart bulbs. The real value comes from its seamless voice control via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, along with scheduling features that automate lighting around your daily routine. The companion app enhances convenience with remote access and group control, making whole home lighting management efficient and intuitive. Now our second product is TreatLife Smart Light Switch. The TreatLife three-way smart light switch strikes a strong balance between functionality, safety, and affordability, making it a dependable upgrade for connected homes. Designed for both single-pole and three-way applications, it offers flexible control from one or two locations, ideal for hallways or staircases. Installation is straightforward with clear instructions, though the neutral wire requirement and 2.4 GHz only Wi-Fi may limit compatibility in some setups. While it lacks dimming and Apple HomeKit support, it compensates with seamless voice integration via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free convenience. The dedicated app enables remote control, scheduling, and grouping, allowing efficient whole-home lighting management and even occupancy simulation for security. With FCC certification, flame-retardant construction, and built-in overheat protection, it emphasizes safety and reliability. Overall, it's a practical, user-friendly smart switch for everyday automation needs. Our third product is Maras Smart Light Switch. The Maras three-way smart light switch offers an excellent blend of affordability, convenience, and smart home compatibility, making it a standout choice for budget-conscious users. Its patented design simplifies installation by requiring replacement of only one traditional switch, saving both time and cost, with most setups completed in about 15 minutes. While a neutral wire and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi are necessary, the no-hub setup keeps things straightforward. The switch integrates smoothly with major ecosystems like Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and SmartThings, enabling flexible voice and remote control via the dedicated app. Scheduling features, including sunrise and sunset automation, enhance energy efficiency and daily convenience. Built with flame-retardant materials and overload protection, it prioritizes safety alongside performance. Overall, it's a reliable, user-friendly smart switch ideal for upgrading multi-location lighting control. Now number 4, Nilway Smart Light Switch. The Nilway three-way smart light switch delivers a dependable and practical solution for modern lighting control, especially in homes with neutral wiring already in place. Its support for multi-location control makes it ideal for spaces like hallways or large rooms, allowing seamless operation from different points. Setup is straightforward with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and integration with the SmartLife/Tuya ecosystem ensures smooth remote access and automation. Voice control compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant adds hands-free convenience, while scheduling and timer functions help reduce energy waste and streamline daily routines. The build quality feels reliable, backed by safety reminders and a focus on proper installation practices. Although it requires a neutral wire and lacks advanced features like dimming, it excels in core smart functionality. With a solid warranty and responsive support, it's a user-friendly and efficient upgrade for smart home lighting. And our last choice is Kasa Smart Light Switch. The Kasa Smart Light Switch stands out for its polished user experience and dependable performance, making it a top choice for beginners and seasoned smart home users alike. The app-guided installation via Kasa Smart or Tapo simplifies setup, though a neutral wire and basic wiring knowledge are required. Once installed, it offers seamless remote control, allowing you to monitor and manage lighting from anywhere. Voice integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant works reliably, adding hands-free convenience to daily routines. Scheduling features, including timers and away mode, enhance both energy efficiency and home security by simulating occupancy. Backed by UL certification and trusted by millions, it delivers consistent reliability and safety. While limited to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, its stable connectivity and intuitive controls make it a well-rounded, user-friendly smart lighting solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.